Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2014 ECE paper and the topic is related to electronics. An increase in the base recombination of BJT will increase A. The common emitter DC current gain beta, B. The breakdown voltage B VCEO, C. The unity gain cutoff frequency F tau, D. The transconductance GM. So, the right answer for this question is B. Increase in base recombination of a BJT will increase in the breakdown voltage BVCEO. Okay, base recombination of a BJT is going to be increases either by increasing the doping concentration of base or by increasing the width of base region. Generally, the transistor operation as amplifier is performed only because of base characteristics. Base characteristics are going to be: one is base is lightly doped, the other is nothing but base width is very small. Because of that one, number of recombinations in the base is going to be very small, such that the total collector current is going to be approximately equal to emitter current. Okay, IC is approximately equal to IE. Whatever the current produces by the forward bias junction, that is going to be appearing in the reverse bias collector bias junction. Okay, so but if the base recombination is going to be increases, what increases in these four options that we are going with? So base recombinations can be increased either by increasing the doping concentration or by increasing the width. So for example, we are going with as doping concentration. So as doping in base, doping concentration in base is going to be increases. Okay, that by that time the number of recombinations in the base is going to be taking place more. Base doping increases is nothing but majority carriers increases. Majority carriers increases. That implies nothing but minority carriers. Minority carriers decreases. Minority carriers decreases is nothing but reverse saturation current IC naught is going to be reduces. Reverse saturation current is only due to minority carriers. As doping increases, majority carriers increases, minority carriers decreases. This you can say because of mass action law. This you can say it as because of mass action law. So from this one, reverse saturation current is reducing. So whenever IC is going to be reduces, at that time ICEO is also reduces, because ICEO is equal to 1 plus beta times of ICBO, which you can write it as 1 plus beta times of IC naught. So as IC naught reduces, ICEO is also gets reduces. Okay, so normally a BJT is going to be specified. A BJT, whenever you are going with, it's a 3-terminal device with collector, base and emitter. So depending on the which terminal you are making it as common for input and output, it may be configured in either common base, common emitter and common collector. So let us assume if it is common base, at that time base is common. Okay, and in that case the power dissipation of a transistor is going to be specified like this: I C naught into BVCBO. This is what the maximum power dissipation by the transistor. If it is more, the power dissipation is more, at the time transistor gets breakdown. The power dissipation rating of a transistor can be specified with respect to base terminal common is specified as PD is IC naught into BVCBO, whereas in case of common emitter mode, at that time it can be the same power dissipation can be specified in this way: ICEO into BVCEO. So for the given transistor, for the given power dissipation rating, if doping concentration increases, majority carriers increases, minority carriers reduces, and IC naught is going to be getting reduced. Whenever IC naught gets reduced, ICEO is reduced. So ICEO is reduced is nothing but BVCEO is increases for given PD, for given power dissipation. For given power dissipation, if ICEO is reducing, that implies nothing but breakdown voltage across collector to emitter with base open is going to be increases. So an increase in base recombination of BJT will increase BVCEO. Okay, and whereas beta is going to be reduces. Okay, GM, beta implies nothing but beta can be written as IC by IB. So as IB increases, beta value is going to be reduces for the given IC. Okay, so this cannot be the answer. Second one is not, next one is transconductance. Transconductance is nothing but IC by VT. But as IB increases, IC gets reduces. So that GM reduces. This cannot be the answer. Next, F tau is going to be proportional to GM. So as GM reduces, F tau is also reduces. So only the option is nothing but BVCO is going to be gets increases. So an increase in base recombination of a BJT will increase breakdown voltage BVCO. Thank you.